can't delete apps on your iPhone? If you only see Remove from home screen and not Delete app, here's the fix. Press and hold any app. You'll notice the Delete option is missing. This is almost always caused by screen time restrictions. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Now tap iTunes and App Store purchases. You may be asked for a screen time passcode. If a parent or admin set this up, you'll need that code. Tap Deleting Apps. If it's set to Don't Allow, change it to Allow. For a full fix, go back. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. You can turn this off completely if you want. Go back to your home screen. Press and hold an app again. You should now see Delete App. And that's why you couldn't delete apps on your iPhone. Follow and subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes.